Are you tired of feeling broke, no matter how much you earn? Struggling to save, invest, or even know where to start? This is the video that changes that. Here are 5 powerful steps to help you master your money in 2025, straight from Wealth Navigator. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Let's go. First, set goals the right way. Not I want to save money, but I want to save $1,000 in 90 days. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Write your goals down, make them visible. When your goals are clear, your money gets focused. A budget isn't a prison, it's freedom. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% to needs like rent, food, and bills, 30% to wants like fun and extras, and 20% to savings or debt. Track where your money goes. Give every dollar a job. That's how you build control. Before investing or starting side hustles, it's super important to build your safety net. Aim to save like 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Without a fund, just one emergency can wipe out everything you've worked for. Passive income is basically money that works for you, even when you're not working for it around the clock. Start small with just one income stream, maybe digital products, dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, rental income, or even online courses. You don't need to be rich to start, you just need to begin. Want to know the real reason most people stay broke? Honestly, it's not about income, it's mindset. If you believe money is evil or hard to get, you'll always push it away. So shift your thoughts from scarcity to abundance. Be grateful, keep learning, and focus on building, not just earning. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people still winging it. Drop a comment with your #1 money goal for the year, like subscribe and share if this helped you. And hey, if you want the full guide behind this video, download the Wealth Navigator ebook now at the link below. Let's build wealth together.